Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the first number to Google Pay. This links your primary SIM and bank details. Open the app and go straight to Settings, choose Accounts, then add phone number. Enter the number, request the OTP, and type it in when it arrives. Once verified, make sure that the linked bank account appears under Payment Methods. Doing this first avoids conflicts when you add the second number, because Google Pay ties verification to each SIM and account separately. Once done with the first, you add the second number by switching to the other SIM or using dual SIM settings. Open Gpay and repeat add phone number. Request the OTP for the second number and verify it. Make sure to link a different bank account or create an alternate UPI ID if your bank restricts multiple numbers. If prompted, allow Gpay to access SMS for OTP auto-read. This step keeps transactions separate and prevents payment routing errors between numbers. You finish by confirming both numbers appear under accounts and linking are correct, then perform a small test payment from each number to verify routing. If a transfer fails, start troubleshooting. Make sure the SIM is active and can receive SMS, check that OTPs were entered exactly, and confirm Gpay has SMS and phone permissions. If the bank blocks multiple UPI links, contact bank support. Once cleared, your two-number setup is ready for regular use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.